Okay, I got a call and this water heater is not heating. It's also leaking. Alright, first thing you need to do is go to the electrical panel and turn off the breaker. Double check and make sure there's no power. To ensure you turned off the correct breaker. Turn off the incoming water. Then hook up a hose. Run it outside. And then open up the valve. Okay, you're also going to need to either open up a faucet or open up a pipe. Cut the pipes. Disconnect all the pipes. Now we have to wait for the water heater to drain and then move it out. Get the water heater, cut on the dotted lines to remove the cardboard. Now you can prep the water heater. Okay, get the pipes all prepped, and I like to use these ProPress fittings. Clean up your pipe real good, then put them on and tighten it up. Press it on. You can also use SharkBite. I used to use these a lot, but they're pretty expensive, so I went to a ProPress. But these will be in the description. You can order these, and it's simple. They just press in and everything's connected. No soldering needed or no ProPress vise. But you can order these, use them, and you'll be happy. Here is the hose also. The one side will screw onto the water heater and the other one will go right onto the pipe. Just clean up your pipe just like we did here, and the SharkBite will grab right onto the copper pipe and you won't have to do a ProPress or anything. But I'm going to have all of this, including the ProPress, in the description. All your pipes prepped, ready to go. Got the water heater in. Make sure you put a pan on the bottom. Now tighten up the pipes. Okay, now get all the pipes hooked up. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Before you turn on the electrical, turn on the water. Okay, the reason for this is if you do have any leaks, you don't have the electric hooked up, and you can take care of any leaks and then hook up your electric. All right, I'm going to go inside and open one of the faucets to let the air out of the line, and then I'll come back out and hook up the electrical. Open up the faucet, the hot water side, and you're filling up the water heater. This will let all the air out of the line. When the water starts to flow, you'll know that your water heater is full, and it'll minimize the rest of the air in the line. Now the water heater is full. I'm going to turn off the faucet and hook up the electrical. This will minimize the air in the line if you do this first. Okay, get this plate first. It was on here. Take it off and attach it through here with the lock nut. I had to take off the wire nuts to be able to put the lock nut on. Position it to where you know it's going to go. Hook your wires up and then cover everything up. Put the screws back in. Okay, hook up your ground to the ground screw. I like putting the black to black. This one happens to have a blue, so I put it to the red. Both are 120 each, making it 240. So usually it'll just be two black wires or black and red, which both mean hot. These are 120 each, making it 240. All right, now close everything up. Okay, now I have everything hooked back up. Turn on the breaker, and there you are. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one. You can install a water heater too. I used ProPress, but you can use SharkBite. Or if you know how to solder, then you can do that also. I like using SharkBite, but since I have a ProPress, I've liked that even better. It's quick and easy and not as expensive as SharkBite. Okay, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one.